Coelho, and I've written a book called Tiger by the Tail. What happens when you catch a tiger by the tail? Unless you have very, 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 very long arms, you're in big trouble. What do you think will happen if you catch a tiger by the tail? You'll be dead. And the tiger will be really angry. Okay, what does an angry tiger sound like? I heard a few pussycats. I can just hear a few pussycats. Let's hear some really angry tigers. Whoa, much better. Who knows what a happy tiger sounds like? Meow? No, he doesn't sound like meow. No. No. A happy tiger sounds like this. It's a sound called chuffing. When tigers are really happy, when they meet someone they like, they go. Okay. So all this I learned while I was writing this book. And you know why I wrote this book? Because I was sitting down with my daughter, I have a little 7-year-old daughter, and we were making a very exciting list. We were making a list of all the exciting things we want to do together. And on that list was, see a tiger. How many have seen a tiger here? Oh, how many have seen a tiger not in a zoo but in the wild? Oh, lots of you have seen in the wild. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to see a tiger in the wild. But when I started reading up about tigers in the wild, I got a big fright. What's happening to tigers in the wild? What's happening to tigers in our parks? Does anybody know? They're all vanishing. They're all going away. They're all disappearing. Why are the tigers disappearing? Because people are hunting them. What's that called? It's called poaching. Why are they hunting them? What do they do to tigers? They use their skin. The skin is sold. What else is sold? Claws are sold for necklaces. Their teeth are sold. Their nails are sold. What else is sold of a tiger? Every single little bit of a tiger is sold. His whiskers are sold because people believe that if you powder a tiger whisker and you have it, you will become very strong. They believe that if you eat tiger meat, you'll become very strong. And they believe if you eat a tiger brain, you'll become very strong. Okay. Most of the reason, the one biggest reason why tigers are being poached, where are they ending up? They're ending up in China. And what are the Chinese doing with our tigers? They're making medicine out of them. They make medicine and they make wine. The biggest industry for tigers is medicine and wine. That's where all our tigers are disappearing. So when I read this and I looked it up on the net, then I got really angry. I was like a tiger. I went, and I said, something has to be done. So I started thinking. And the thought that came to my mind was, what if the animals got really angry? Because we do terrible things to animals, don't we? We eat them, we hunt them, we take their skin, we take their nails, we take their hair. What if the animals got angry and decided to fight back? What if they all got trained? What if they had secret weapons and were like James Bond? Oh, that should be fun, no? So that's what this book is about. It's about a special secret agency called Animal Intelligence Agency. And in that agency, there's a tiger called Baga. There's a monkey called Kela. And there's a young boy called Rana. And they get various missions and they go off to save various animals. And in the first book, they go off to save tigers, which is why the mission is Tiger by the Tail. Okay? So the rest of the story, if you read the book, you'll find out. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to do a tiger quiz. Okay, you know lots of things about tigers? No. Okay, you'll learn lots of things about tigers. Okay, can we have our quiz sheets? I need the crossword. The crossword. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to distribute, this is a written quiz. And here's the thing. We're going to allow mamas and papas to help you. Okay? The first thing you're going to get is pencils. Volunteers, we need pencils. Now, when you get your sheet of paper, what is the very first thing you do? Write your name and write a number or an email ID where we can contact you. Because my publisher has promised that whoever gets the right answer, first 3 right answers, get a lovely parcel of books. Okay, so if we don't have an address, we don't have a name, we don't have a number, you're never going to get your prize. Okay?
I have to distribute one sheet.
Yes, you have to distribute. You need more help. You need a couple more people or this will go too slow. Okay, quickly fill it up and as soon as you finish, put up your hand. Okay, whoever puts up the hand first, I will come and check your Tiger quiz sheet. Okay? Pencils over there. You okay?
So 140 we will be able to wind up.
One sec, one sec.
अभी देखा दिखता होगा
First three.
need write my name
Please write your name. But okay. No, darling. We've got our first three. Okay, so number one was little Aditya, who has a papa who knows all about tigers, I see. And second was Agastya. And third was Shreya Iyer. Okay, so come on, let's get the answers. Who was... Sweetie, we've got our three. I will collect all the rest as well because we will do a lucky draw for the book. Okay, so volunteers. Okay, can we have a parent to volunteer? Can we have somebody to volunteer? Yeah, just if you can just collect all the rest of the papers, we'll do a lucky draw. Yeah. Okay, so let's have the answers. The cartoon character Calvin has a tiger for a friend. Okay. Which famous tiger wanted to eat Mowgli? Who wrote the poem that begins Tiger, tiger, burning bright? Very good. William, good one. Name the tiger who is Winnie the Pooh's friend. Very good. Which character took a journey with a tiger called Richard Parker? I knew you guys would know this absolutely. Which goddess rides a tiger? Excellent. Which famous tiger plays golf? Which famous cricketer was known as a tiger? Which Indian leader was known as the tiger of Mysore? Tipu, absolutely right. Well done. So here are our first three winners. And somebody will collect the rest because we'll do a lucky draw out of that. Okay, are you guys ready for the second round? Okay. Now we need... Okay, so let us collect all these. So this is out of the way and we can do our next round of the quiz. Hand it out. All six. Do not 3 or 2, all six. A volunteer who has a pencil.
Yes, pencil. You need a sheet?
Only one right answer so far. That was too tight for three. Hold it, hold it. Everybody stop, stop. I need to check these. Okay, so who is this?
me
Eva. You're the second right answer. And no, stop everybody. We're on number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third right answer.
even I say
Surya. Sorry, sweetie, the first 3 right answers. Okay, so let's check if you guys got this right. Okay, for everybody who's checking. Yeah, I'll keep the 3 right ones. Okay, so what are the 6 tiger species? Tell me, now that you figured them out.
South China
The Bengal, the South China, the Siberian, the Malayan, Indo-Chinese, and the Sumatran tiger. That's a tough one. Nobody ever gets that. Well done. Well done. We have 3 right. The first 3 are... I have Surya, I have Eva, and I have Aditya. But Aditya's already won a prize. Okay. Okay. Okay, now give your sheets in here because we're going to do a lucky draw and give away a book. Okay, so you still have a chance to win something. Here, the auntie over here. When you say auntie, this auntie. Didi is so much better, no? Okay.
We should have a
She gave it first. She was quite Prajanya, is it?
Oh, one last. So you have one last chance to win something. Okay, now quickly give in your sheets. Quickly give in your sheets. Yep. But what we will do is we're going to put all the papers together and stir them up and pull out one name, and that name will get a book on the spot. Okay, so volunteers, all the papers. Okay. You might win some more prizes, but let's see whether anybody gets these. And mamas and papas, no helping for this, okay? How many tigers do you think are left in the wild in India?
200.
Less than 2,000. Let's see who gets closest. 400, 600 is very low. We're not that bad yet. 1,600, close. 1,650, closer. 1,850. That's all we have left. Okay, we used to have thousands and thousands. Okay, how many cubs does a tigress normally have? 1 litter, how many cubs? 2. Well done, 2. They don't have very large litters, which is why we have a problem. Okay. How far do you think a tiger can jump? How many meters can a tiger jump in one leap? Right over there, right answer, 6 meters. Well done. 6 meters is a lot. How much is 6 meters in feet? About 20. 6, 3 is 18. 20, about 20-ish feet. That's from here up till there. That's a lot. Okay. Are we ready with all of that? Yeah. Okay. We've shuffled this up nicely, and whoever gets their name pulled out gets the book I'm holding right here. You get a copy of my book. Okay. Tension. Tang, 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 tang. Who is it going to be? Close my eyes. Oh. And it's somebody who hasn't put their name. Oh. Okay, I hope all of you wrote your names. Everybody else wrote their names? Okay. Who is it going to be? Who is it going to be? Please let it be somebody who's written their name. And it's Yashi Kumari. Yashi? 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 Okay, come on over, Yashi. Well done. Everybody clap. We keep this apart and... Okay. Yashi, there you go. Copy of the book. I think I still have one more copy of my book. Shall we give one more person a book? You think so? Okay, come on over. Okay, my bag is somewhere and that's where the copy of the book is. So, okay, ready? Who is this? Who gets a book? Shashank gets a book. Shashank. Shashank. Right there. Well done, Shashank. Hang on. Let me find my bag. Sudeep, there's a book in my bag. Okay. And you know what? I actually think I have one more book. Okay, so let's do this for the last time. Okay. There's one more. Okay, so this goes to Shashank. Come on, let's clap. Shashank. Big round of applause. There you go. Okay, last book. After this, I promise I don't have any more books. Okay, right at the bottom. Let's go to the bottom of the pile. Who's hiding in there? Ready, steady. Surya D. Okay. Surya, come here. You're going to get a book. Clap. Let's have lots of claps. Well done. Very welcome. Okay, now if you want any more books, you have to go up to the bookstore and buy them. Okay? And we've run out of time, so we're not doing any more quizzes. But happy reading. Yes, sweetie. Yes. And I will be signing books. So if you have a book, you can come over to the signing area. I believe it's where that little amphitheater is, right over there with the steps, and I will sign your book for you. Okay? Happy reading, and do whatever you can to help save our tigers. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye. Girls, boys, mamas, papas.